Alright, y'all, let's give it up for the notification squad. We have our first 3 comments right here. Shout out to them. And what's up, YouTube? It is your girl Shay coming back to you with another video. If y'all are new, this is your first time watching.
Yo, what's up?
Welcome to the family. If this is your third, fourth, fifth time, second time coming, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. In this video, y'all are probably wondering, girl, what's up with your hair? What is you doing? I'm gonna let y'all know in a minute. We about to do a hair tutorial. Yes, this is my second hair tutorial on this channel. The first one was my mini box braids. So if you guys want to see that, I will have it either linked up in the card somewhere here, popping up on the screen right now. If it doesn't, I will have it in the description box down below. So we are doing a jumbo goddess ponytail. That's what it is. I was like, sis, what you doing? Hold on. But yeah, let me turn on these lights because it's looking kind of bright. There we go. Alright, so I just freshly blow dried my hair. That's why I'm looking how I'm looking. And we about to get into this hair tutorial, y'all. So if y'all want to see how I do this jumbo ponytail, goddess ponytail thing, y'all know what I'm talking about, okay? I will see y'all in the next clip. But before we go to this next clip, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next clip. Alright, so before we get started, let me tell y'all about the products I'm going to be using to complete this look. After this look, I do have my makeup tutorial coming out for my Juvia's Place Warrior 3 palette that everybody's been asking about. So if y'all tap the notification bell, you'll be notified when I upload that video. But for now, let's do this ponytail, okay? So the first product I will be using is this Shine and Jam Magic Fingers for Braiders by Stasha Harris. It looks like this. And I got it from my local beauty supply store. It costs $11.99. Then we have probably the only gel that'll hold my hair down, because look at this, sis. Look, all natural, okay? This is the Gorilla Punk Indestructible Gorilla Snot Gel. This is the punk style, so it's in a yellow bottle. Also got this from my beauty supply store. Y'all know what? One thing I don't like a lot about the beauty supply store, they sometimes on some of their products, they don't put the prices up there. That makes no sense, because I want to know how much I'm paying for it. I don't want to go to the counter and then it be like $10 for this bottle. But anyway, so then the next product I'm going to be using is my Got To Be Glued Blasting Freeze Spray Scream and Hold for hair. This is the yellow container. I think this is the only container that they have that I know of. And all these supplies you can find at your local beauty supply store. I have my silk scarf here to hold everything down after I'm done. I have a comb for detangling. And I have my two-sided brush. So one side is soft and one side is more firm bore hair brush. So after this is going to be a talk through. And y'all just enjoy the video. Alright, y'all, so we back up in this mug, about to get this ponytail started. So right now, all I am doing is brushing out my hair, making sure all the knots is all out, everything is good, and I'm just contemplating, should I really do this? I don't know, but here we go. I got the Shine and Jam Magic Fingers. It is good for braiders, and I'm just going to apply this around my perimeter, get my edges, make sure my ponytail is nice and slick. That way it'll look nice, clean, crisp, and just beautiful. So I used this product, but it wasn't really giving me the hold that I wanted to. And right here, I'm just brushing out my edges so I can separate the two. And then I'm going to use my boarhead brush for my double-sided brush that I got from the beauty supply store, and just brush it down, make it nice and sleek and flat. Make sure you get the back, get them beady beads up in the back in the kitchen, and just slick it down. It wasn't giving me the hold that I wanted, so boom, bam, got that Gorilla Snot. I got that from my local beauty supply store. This seems to be the only thing that holds my hair down. Because I have a lot of hair, as y'all can see, and it's a lot of work. So this gives me the perfect hold, perfect sleekness that I need. And I'm going back in with my brush and making sure everything is combed through, everything is just distributed evenly. And then after that, I'm going to put it in a high ponytail. So here I am trying to struggle on the struggle bus right now, putting this ponytail in, but it seemed to work. Y'all, my arms was so tired. I had muscle failure. So right now what I'm doing is I am putting it in a braid. That way I can have a small bun, and I'm braiding it I'm really braiding it tight so I could just have a small bun. I'm just going to wrap it around, and then I'm going to use another scrunchie to hold that down. And the first one broke on me, y'all. That's how much hair I got. So I used another one and just pulled that little string out. So right now I'm focusing on my baby hair. I used the Shining Jam again, and I put the Gorilla Snot on top. I just used the dime size amount. You don't need a lot. Just distributing that on my edges and the other flyaways that I see around my bun. And I'm using this edge brush. I didn't really like it because it wouldn't move my hair properly, so I did have to use the end of a comb to make it straight how I want it to look. So that is just what I'm doing now, and I'm going to do that all around the front of my hair. Y'all know I love my baby hairs. Love my baby hairs. So, yeah. And then after that, I am going to I'm going to spray my Gots to Be so everything is secure, nice and in place. And I'm just going to take my silk scarf. I'm sorry for the green screen, y'all. As soon as I get my laptop in, my videos will be a lot better, I promise y'all. But please just bear with me as I struggle with this green screen, and y'all. But I'm just tying my scarf. I'm going to keep that on until I finish my ponytail. And you could just use any braid in here. I found this in my closet somewhere. I was supposed to be doing jumbo box braids, but I figured why not use it for this, and we could use it another time for the braids. So I'm just going to loosely braid this 3-strand braid, and make sure you braid very loosely. That way it'll be able to stretch it out and make it look jumbo. So what I'm doing is, while I'm braiding, I braid at least 3 times, and then I'm taking some hair out so that way I can curl it. But y'all, this was not the hair to curl. I promise y'all, this was a struggle in itself. I tried water, I tried wrapping foam. The hair just was not curling. So yeah, I'm just braiding it to the ends, and then I'm going to use an elastic band, and I'm going to use that for the end so it won't unravel. And then I'm going to pull it apart just a little bit from the ponytail to make it look jumbo. So just like that, as you see as I'm doing. And then what I'm doing now is I'm flipping it to the side that I want. So what you want to do is, when you're doing the ponytail, put it on the side that you don't want the hair to fall. So if you want it on the right side, do the ponytail on the left side. If you want on the left side, do the ponytail on the right side. Then flip it over your bun and just tuck it all on top of the bun, and then use bobby pins to secure it. And then here I'm just jumboing it up some more. And this is where I tried, y'all. I tried to curl this thing. Maybe it's just not curling type of hair, but I tried, y'all. It was a struggle for real. As y'all can see, flop. So then I just decided, nope, no, ma'am, no ham, no turkey. So I just took the braid out, loosely braided it again, and here you are. So right now I'm taking off my scarf, and everything is nice, laid, and secure. Everything looks sleek. You can add